Hi, friends. Welcome to math. Go ahead and take out your math paper, section 10.13. There's a little boy on it with crutches and like a broken leg. This is page 313, 314. While you're getting your paper out and a pencil and eraser, Miss Warner is going to pull it up on your screen. All right. Let's see here. Okay. All right, friends. I hope you're doing well today. Today we're talking about regrouping in the tens and hundreds. You guys have done such an amazing job with your regrouping. It's been going pretty well. I'm sure it's been it's extra steps, so I know it can get a little bit confusing, and I know you probably wish we were just doing regular subtraction because they're adding all of these extra steps, but I know you guys are doing really good, and it's only going to help you for when you're ready to go to second grade, which is pretty soon, friends. And you'll be very glad and very thankful that you did it in first grade before you have to do it in second grade, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and look at this. Ricardo hurt his leg. Maria's helping him carry his backpack. There are 325 steps from the bus to the classroom. It's a lot of steps. They have walked 148 of those steps. How many more steps do they need to walk? So we have regrouped tens to subtract, and we've regrouped hundreds. Some people, however, require the regrouping of both. Some problems require the regrouping of both tens and hundreds. So that's what we're going to be learning about, when you have to use the regrouping in both the tens and the hundreds, okay? All right, they're showing us step by step. So first you're going to regroup the tens, then you're going to subtract the ones. That's what you do first. So just like normal, you realize, okay, 5 take away 8, you can't do it, right? 5 take away 8, you cannot do it. So you're going to subtract, take 1 away. Okay, so 2, and you're going to give a 10 to the ones room. So we're left with 1. Then our 5 becomes 15. That's what they have here. Very good. So 15 take away 8 is 7. Nice. 1 take away 4. Can you do it? No, we can't. So we need to borrow again. So really, they're going to take 3, make it a 2, and give another 1 here. They already had a 1, so it turns into 11. Okay, so 11 take away 4 then becomes 7. And then we're going to do this side of 2 take away 1 equals 1. So our answer is 177. Now, I want you to look right here. When you're regrouping, they get one of the tens and they make the tens. They kind of break it apart and make 10 ones. That's exactly what we're doing when we say regrouping. Regrouping means we're going to regroup the base 10 blocks. All right, the numbers that are there, we're going to move them over and switch the rooms around. Okay, we're adding it to another room. Okay, next, regroup the hundreds. So now what they did here, there's 1, 2, 3 hundreds. They're taking one of the hundreds and they're regrouping it and turning it, breaking apart basically, and turning it into tens. Now, do you see there's more tens? Yes, that's so that we're able to subtract the ones that we need. If there's less tens, we can't subtract a bigger number. Remember, the number on the top's got to be bigger. So we made it bigger by regrouping. Then down here, you're going to subtract the hundreds. So now that we have 200s, we're taking 1 away. And our answer is 177. Let's go ahead and flip to the back really quick. All right, we got this, friends. We're going to do it together, okay? 2 take away 7, you can't do it. So we're going to borrow. 1 becomes 0, because if I'm taking 1 away from, if I have 1, I'm taking it away to give it to the ones group, I'm taking that 10, that becomes 0, and my 2 becomes 12. Okay, 12 take away 7 is 5. Uh-oh, 0 take away 8. Interesting. Can I do it? I can't, so I need to borrow from the hundreds. My 5 becomes a 4, and my 0 there now becomes a 10. Okay, we're giving 1 over from the hundreds back to the tens. Here we go. 10 take away 8 is 2. 4 take away 3 is 1. 125. Good job. Let's keep going. 6 take away 9. You cannot do it. Let's borrow. 3 becomes 2. 6 becomes 16. I'm going to count from 9 to 16. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's 7. 2 take away 5. Can I do it? I cannot. So I'm going to borrow from my hundreds. 4 becomes 3, and I'm going to give that over to the tens, giving them one more. So 12, I'm giving them 10 tens, which equals 100. So 10 tens plus the 2 tens that were already there gives us 12 tens. 12 tens take away 5 tens is what? 7. So 3 take away 1 is 2. 277. Very good. All right, guys. 0 take away 6. Can I do it? I cannot. So let's borrow the only one the tens have. And my 0 becomes a 10 here. 10 take away 6. We know that's a 4. And 0 take away 7. Well, can I take anything away from 0? No, we know we can't. So let's borrow from the hundreds. 2 becomes 1. And we're going to give 10 tens over to the tens. And it becomes 10 because they had 0. So now they have 10. So 10 tens take away 7 is 3. And 1, you just drop down the 1. Good job. Are you with me? Are you staying with me? You know what you're doing? Good. All right, let's keep practicing. 3 take away 7. Can you do it? No, you can't. Let's borrow. 2 becomes a 1. Our 3 becomes 13. 13 take away 7 is 6. Nice. 1 take away 5. Can't do it. Let's borrow again. 8 becomes 7. And you just put a 1 right in front of that 11 because we're giving it 10 tens. 11 take away 5 is another 6. 7 take away 5 is 2. What's my answer? Let's say it together. 266. Okay. Now, check mark the kind of regrouping needed, and then we're going to subtract, okay? So if it's only in the hundreds, then we mark the hundreds. If it's neither of them, then you don't need to do it. And if it's only in the tens, you do the tens. Are you ready? Okay. Or if it's both, I forgot to give you that option. If it's both of them, tens and hundreds, then you do all of it, okay? All right, here we go. 7 take away 1. 6. That's easy. 2 take away 9. Uh-oh, we can't do it. So let's go ahead and borrow from the hundreds. 4 becomes 3. 2 becomes 12. 12 take away 9. 9, 10, 11, 12 is 3. 3 take away 2 is 1. We borrowed from the hundreds. Okay, I'm not sure. It says, Miss Warner's not following directions again. It says check mark, and I went ahead and bubbled it in. So I'll check mark it. Got it? Okay, let's go down to number 6. 4 take away 9. Can I do it? Nope. Let's borrow from the tens. 6 becomes 5. 4 becomes 14. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. The answer is 5. 5 take away 8. Can I do it? Nope. So let's borrow from the hundreds. 2 becomes 1. 5 becomes 15. 15 take away 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's 7. And you drop the 1. Guess what? We had to borrow from both the tens and the hundreds. Let's do the next one. Well, I can tell right off the bat the number on the top is bigger than the numbers on the bottom. So we probably don't need to regroup any of them. So neither is probably the answer. I'll check mark it right now. 3 take away 1. 2. 5 take away 2. 3. 6 take away 4. 2. Oh, how much easier is it to subtract when you're not regrouping? Oh, don't you wish that it was so much simpler and we were back to those days, right? When you were in Kinder B and you just had the easiest subtraction. All right, but now you're growing up and now you're doing harder things because you can do hard things and because you're getting older, friends. That's a good thing. All right, let's do the next one. 1 take away 5. Can you do it? Nope. Let's borrow from the 6. 6 becomes 5. 1 becomes 11. 11 take away 5 is 6. 5 take away 3 is 2. 8 take away 3 is 5. Very cool. All right, we only had to regroup in the tens. Very good. Whew, that was easy peasy. Okay, let's go ahead and continue down at the bottom here. Number 9. And friends, guess what? This is the last section and we're done with our paper because you guys are so awesome. Okay, 4 take away 5, can't do it. Let's borrow. 2 becomes 1. 4 becomes 14. 14 take away 5. I'm going to hold up 5 and count backwards. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. 1, and I take away 0. You're just going to drop it down. And 6 take away 3 is 3. Very good. All right. 3 take away 8. No, you can't do it. 4 becomes 3. 3 becomes 13. Counting from 8 to 13. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's 5. 3 take away 6. Nope. So 7 becomes 6. And I'm just going to make it a 10 there. Now we have 13 tens. 13 take away 6 is 7. 6 take away 3 is 3. Very good. All right. 5 take away 2 is 3. 2 take away 6. Can you do it? Let's borrow. 4 becomes 3. 2 becomes 12. Well, 12 take away 6 that's a double. So 6 and 3 take away 1 is 2. 263. Very nice. All right. 6 take away 7. You're right. You can't do it. Okay, let's borrow. Oh man. Now in our tens rooms, there's 0. 6 becomes 16. Let's count from 7 to 16. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Whoa, that's 9. 0. Can I take away 5? Nope. Let's borrow. 2 becomes 1. Give a 10. Give 10 tens over. 10 take away 5 is 5. And drop the 1. 159. You guys are on a roll, friends. This is all normal subtraction. Ready? 6 take away 1 is 5. 7 take away 2 is 5. 8 take away 5 is 3. 355. Good job. All right, 1 take away 3. Right off the bat, I know I cannot do that. So I'm going to borrow. 4 becomes 3. 1 becomes 11. 11 take away 3. 11, 10, 9, 8. 3 take away 2 is 1. 9 take away 6 is 3. 313. Very good. All right, 2 take away 5. Nope, we can't do it. So let's borrow. 3 becomes a 2. Our 2 becomes a 12. 12 take away 5 is 7. 2 take away 8. Got you. Can't do it. Let's borrow again. 7 becomes 6, and we're going to give it 10 tens. So now 12 take away 8 is 4. 6 take away 4 is 2. Are you with me, friends? 247. So many steps, right? All right. We only have one more to do. I know you can do this with me. 8 take away 2. 8 and count backwards 2. 7, 6. 1 take away 6. Nope, can't do it. Let's borrow this little guy. 1 becomes 11. 11 take away 6 is 5. And that's it, because 0 take away 0 is 0. You can write the 0, but you don't really need to. You could just leave it at 56, okay? Whew, that was a lot of talking for Miss Warner. That was a lot of listening for you and a lot of writing. Lots of steps, friends, but you guys did so good. You should have your whole paper done and complete, and I bet that feels so amazing. We will see you tomorrow, okay? Have a wonderful day, first graders. Bye.